Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Stewart here doing your word work with you today. What we're going to do is write our words on the line, and then we're going to take our highlighters and highlight the vowels. So this week we're reviewing long vowels, so we have all of the long vowels today. So the first word we're going to write on the line is life. Let's write life. O-I life. And then we have the silent E at the end. Okay. Our next word is prize. P-R-I-Z. Prize. And that has long I. So let's draw our little sign. Okay. We've done those two. Now let's go to the next two. We have game. G-aim. Game. And there we go. The next word is shine. This time we have a digraph. Shine. Our next word is home with long O. Home. Next we have broke with an R blend. B-R-O-K. Broke. 4 more words. Rude. R-U-D. Rude. Next word is plain. P-O-A-N. Plain with long A. 2 more. Life. O-I. Life. And our last word is drone. D-R-O-N. Drone. Okay. Now I want you to take your highlighter, and if you don't have a highlighter, then use your crayon. And we're going to go through and just draw a highlight on each of the vowels. So in life, we have the I and the E. Prize, I and E. Game, A and E. Shine, I and E. Next we have O and E in home. Broke has O and E. Rude has U and E. Plain, A and E. Life has I and E. And drone has O and E. Very good. All right, boys and girls, on to the back. On the back, we're going to take a look at long I and short I words. So we're going to take 2 different colors. Let's do blue and red. And you're going to look at the word and see if it's long I or short I. So let's start with the short I words. We know the first one isn't because it has an E. So pin, lick, sick, kick, dish, thin, and mill. So our words that are blue, we're going to put on this side. Now let's take our red crayon and we're going to do the rest of the words because those are long I words. So hive, wipe, 5, hide, and bite, mile, dice, and fine. So Now we copy them under the right color at the bottom. So these words are going to be the red words. So the first word is hive and it's red, so we're going to write it over here. Hive. The second word is pin and it's blue, so we're going to write pin on this side. Next is lick and it's blue, so it goes here. White is red and it goes over here. Sick is blue and it goes on that side. Kick is blue and goes over here. The next one is 5 and it goes on this side. Dish, hide, bite, thin, mile, dice, mill, and fine. And it's okay that there's an extra box because there's no more words for us to do. All right, boys and girls, good job today. Go ahead and turn this into a teacher.